Well, it's Christmas Eve, and all through the house, not a linear was stirring. Certainly not this MN-2700. Anyway, so I've put two of these 330 puffs, 3 kilovolts in series to get half of this capacitance, about 330 divided by 2, about 150, 160 or something like that. So 165, so that'll do that. Now I have 6 kilovolts of working voltage on those. Anyway, so this thing here is a dual capacitor of 150 puffs, 3 kilovolts, and this one crapped out. I'm not sure why. Looks like it's been heating up, sparking out, shorting. I don't know what its problem is, but that's where it goes. I put in 2 capacitors, as I said. These are 150 puffs, 3 kilovolts. So I should have 6 kilovolts by putting those in parallel, and I just simply connect them where this other capacitor was, and I'll put this box back together and see if it works. So that's it. I hope this is all there is to it. I hope these don't spark and burn up. I guess I'll throw 1.2 kilowatts into this box on 40 meters and see if those fizzle up or not. See if the box has SWR matching capability, which it didn't before. So, yep, give it a try. So when you take something apart and if you find something burned or broken, that's usually a good sign. I took this apart once before and I couldn't really find anything wrong with it. So this connection here did look kind of burned up, but couldn't do much with it. So anyway, I did take this this coil off and I ran a file through it and got it cleaned up. I couldn't really get this little nut off here, but I did use another nut that was clean. Put that on there, and this lug was not used. So I did use this lug, cleaned it up, got some solder to stick to it, and just put these capacitors where the green meanie was. So let's see if this will fix it. Okay, Merry Christmas. Thanks for watching. Have a great Christmas Eve. Hopefully it's better than mine.